Markets are range-bound, events can trigger sudden spikes. Today, we'll show you how funds generate income in such scenarios. Let's start with an assumption. We already hold Nifty 50 cash positions, or we already have long equity exposure. So, we are already positioned for market upside. But there are downside concerns of market falling. Now look at the current market environment. Markets have been range-bound for some time. At the same time, there are several FTA discussions with countries like US and global events going on. This means markets may stay sideways, but sudden spikes are also possible. In such a situation, we want a strategy that works even when markets don't move much. This is where we use a bear call spread strategy to gain from a range-bound scenario. A bear call spread is an income-generating option strategy. Here's how it is constructed. We sell a call option at 26,000. At the same time, we buy another call option at 26,500. Both options are from the same monthly expiry. Selling the 26,000 call helps us earn premium income. Buying the 26,500 call acts as protection so that if the market rises sharply, our loss is limited. The gap between 26,000 and 26,500 is the price band of this strategy. Now that we understand the structure, let's look at the payoff graph. On the left side of the graph, the line is flat and positive. This means that as long as Nifty stays below 26,000, we earn the full premium from the strategy. Between 26,000 and 26,500, the line slopes downward. Beyond 26,500, the line becomes flat again, but on the loss side. This flat loss tells us something important. Even if Nifty moves sharply higher, the loss is capped and cannot increase further because of the protection from the 26,500 call. Now let's look at the second graph. This graph combines Nifty 50 with the bear call spread. Within a certain price band, the bear call spread generates regular income using monthly option contracts. Because of this, the overall returns look smoother in a sideways market. However, if there is a sharp upside move in Nifty, the long cash position starts dominating the payoff. At that point, the gains from the bear call spread gets capped, but the investor can still enjoy gains from the rising market. So, the strategy does not eliminate upside. It simply improves returns during range-bound phases while allowing participation when markets move strongly higher. This is how bear call spread is used in real portfolios, as an overlay on long equity, to generate income, manage risk, and stay prepared for uncertain markets. For more such practical strategy explanations, follow SIF Insights. For personalized guidance and suitability, connect with us on WhatsApp at 92-055-23100 or email us at sifinsights@gmail.com.